I'm Sydney Jenkins. I'm a physician assistant at Prisma Health in the pediatric rehab department. I am from Greenwood, South Carolina, and I went to the University of South Carolina in Columbia for my undergraduate degree, and I have a degree in biology. And then I worked in EMS after graduation, and then I worked in pediatrics for a year. And then I went to PA school at the University of South Carolina. So in pediatric rehab, we work with patients that have a disability, whether it be temporary or a permanent disability, and our job is to help them regain any sort of function that they may have lost. So we have an inpatient unit in the Children's Hospital, and we have an outpatient clinic in 9 Med Park. So I can see patients both inpatient and outpatient. I worked in pediatrics prior to my PA school, and I knew that I loved the pediatrics field. And then whenever I learned a little bit more about pediatric rehab, I felt like it was a very challenging field, something that I wasn't super familiar with at the beginning. And I think it's really special to be able to work with a vulnerable population, something that a lot of people may not be familiar with. And so I hope that I can be a resource to my patients and get them whatever they need. I educate my patients and their families by making sure that I'm treating them as a whole and not by whatever disability or disease state they may have. So explaining everything to the best of my ability and making sure that they know all the options that they may have. I'm a huge Gamecock fan, so I go to the USC football games. I love being out on the water, on a boat, and I love to travel with my husband. If you'd like to make an appointment in our outpatient clinic, please have your pediatrician make a referral.